And for all the fellas, try to do what those ladies tell us. You shut down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get females to get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are scantily clad and showing body. A chick walks by you with chicken sex up, but just stand another wall like you was Poindexter. Next day's function, high class luncheon. Food is served and you're stone cold munching. Music comes on and people start to dance, but then you ate so much and then they split your pants. A girl starts walking, guys start corking. Sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wanna dance cause she likes the groove. So come on, fatso, and just bust a move.
You want, you got it. You want, baby, you
just
got
bust a move.
it. You want, you got it. You want, baby, you got it.
You're on a mission and you're wishing someone could cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. No fine girls, just ugly faces. From frustration, first inclination is to become a monk and then leave the situation. But every dark tunnel has a light of hope, so don't hang yourself with a celibate rope. New movie showing, so you're going. Could kill us about the fire you're blowing. Theater gets dark just to start the show, and then you spot a fine woman sitting in your row. She's dressed in yellow, she says hello. Come sit next to me, you fine fellow. You run over there without a second to lose, and what comes next? Hey, bust a move.
You want, you got it. You want it, baby, you
Just
got
bust a
it.
move.
You want, you got it. You want, baby, you got it.
Is there something I should know?
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you
Just bust
got
a
it.
move.
Is there something I should know?
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you got it.
In the city, ladies look pretty and guys tell jokes so they can seem witty. Tell a funny joke just to get some playing, and then you try to make a move and she says no way. Girls are faking, goodness saking. They want a man who brings home the bacon. Got no money and you got no car, then you got no woman. And there you are. Some girls are sadistic, materialistic. Looking for a man makes them opportunistic. They're lying on the beach and perpetrating a tan so that a brother with money can be their man. So on the beach you're strolling, real high rolling. Everything you have is yours and not stolen. A girl runs up with something to prove, so don't just stand there, bust a move.
You want, you got it. You want it, baby, you
Just bust
got
a move.
it. You want, you got it. You want, baby, you got it.
Keep on making noise.
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you
Just
got
bust a
it.
move.
Keep on making noise.
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you
Just
got
bust a
it.
move.
Keep on making noise. Keep on making noise. Keep on making noise. Keep on making noise. Keep on making noise.
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you
Just
got
bust a
it.
move.
Keep on making noise.
You got it,
Keep on making noise.
baby, you got it.
Your best friend Harry has a brother Larry. In 5 days from now he's gonna marry. He's hoping you can make it there if you can, cause in the ceremony you'll be the best man. You say Nito, check your libido, and go to the church in your new tuxedo. The bride walks down just to start the wedding, and there's one more girl you won't be getting. So you start thinking, then you start blinking. A bridesmaid looks and thinks that you're winking. She thinks you're kinda cute, so she winks back, and now you're feeling really firm cause the girl is stacked. Reception's jumping, bass is pumping. Look at the girl and your heart starts thumping. Says you wanna dance to a different groove. Now you know what to do, G, bust a move.